The China-Kenya Film Festival was launched Monday night in the Kenyan capital of Nairobi, with senior officials renewing calls for enhanced Sino-Kenyan cultural ties.
This morning we had very fruitful discussions between the Kenyan film practitioners and the Chinese film practitioners, where we agreed on a raft of activities that we ought to do together, including exchange programs, key marketing opportunities, and also an opportunity for us to access the large Chinese market. We would like to have Kenyan films watched by the Chinese as Kenyan audiences watch Chinese films.
Ababu Namwamba, Kenya's Cabinet Secretary for Youth Affairs, Sports and the Arts, said during the event, China and Kenya signed a memorandum of understanding to develop the film industry, marking a significant milestone in cultural diplomacy between the two nations.
Some of the areas we look forward to under this MOU is exchange programs between the Kenya film industry and the Chinese film industry. We also want to see co-production arrangements between the two countries, or between artists from the two countries. And generally, we hope that this can create better understanding between Kenya, between Africa and China.
We've just launched a new collaboration between China and Kenya, which is a great opportunity for the two countries to collaborate on productions of films, on distribution of films, and also on capacity building. I think we each have a lot to share with each other.
Several Chinese movies are slated for screening during the festival, with the blockbuster One and Only screened Monday evening.